Today I'm going to show you just how to run remote access with Atera. So this is how we run remote access on Atera. On the left, we're going to go to devices. Here we're going to go over and you'll see the different devices you have. If there's a device that you need to connect to and it's not listed here, go to the top right, click on new device and look for agent installer. Choose the operating system of the device that you want to connect with. Click on next. Over here, click on next. Click on share download link, copy that link and send it to the person that you are wanting to connect to, and they will install a program that looks like this. It is the RMM client. That is what they will receive. They'll install that and they'll be able to run it on their system. Now, if you want to connect to this device, you'll have remote access here by simply going across underneath remote access, using this drop-down menu and choosing who you want to connect with. So this is the connection provider. I'm using Splashtop because it is built into Atera. It is probably the better option. So go ahead, select it. You'll see that the icon is just over there. And what you want to do is click on that icon. You will now be given access to the remote device.